Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your WordPress theme customization with Elementor, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Appearance. From the drop-down menu, select Themes. Find the theme you want to customize and click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer interface. Once inside, look for the option labeled Additional CSS for custom styles. To edit with Elementor, exit the customizer by clicking the X at the top. Now, navigate back to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Pages from the left-hand menu. Locate the page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. After the Elementor editor opens, you'll see a live preview of your page. Use the Elementor panel on the left side to add new widgets or sections. Simply drag and drop elements into your desired layout. To customize an element, click on it to open its settings panel. Modify the content, layout, style, or advanced options as needed. To edit global settings, click on the hamburger menu in the top left corner. Select Site Settings to adjust typography, colors, and more for the entire site. Save your changes by clicking the green Update button at the bottom. To see your changes live, click the preview icon. If you're ready to publish, click the Publish button. After saving, exit back to your WordPress dashboard when finished. You can repeat this process for any other pages you wish to customize. Regularly check for theme and plugin updates in the dashboard. Staying updated ensures compatibility and security for your website. Congratulations on successfully updating your WordPress theme customization with Elementor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.